योग्य वेळ येता तेन्ना हांव म्हज्या राजकीय फुडाराचेर उलयतलों। 50 वर्सां राजकारणात खूब जाली अशें दिसता, पूण कांय निर्णय घेवच्या आदीं हांवें म्हजे फॅमिली बरोबर चर्चा करप म्हाका गरजेचें दिसता, आदलो मुख्यमंत्री आनी पर्येचो आमदार प्रताप सिंग राणेन सांगलां।
हाल्लीच प्रताप सिंग राण्यान वेंचणुकेक उबो रावतलो अशी घोशणा केल्ली। हे घोशणे उपरांत ताचो पूत विश्वजीत राणे चाळवलो। प्रताप सिंग राणेन पुराय सन्मानान निवृत्त जावचो, ना जाल्यार म्हज्या कडल्यान 10,000 मतांनी हार पत्करची अशें आव्हान त्याच्या पुतानूच ताका केल्लें। सिनियर राणे रिटायर जातलो काय ना हाचेर अजून सस्पेन्स आसा। काँग्रेसीन भोवमान घडोवन हाडल्या उपरांत प्रताप सिंग राणेन विचार मांडले, उलोवप केलें।
I cannot comment right now.
Okay.
Because I have to ask my family, my dear ones,
Okay.
and then decide. Because 50 years is a very long time in man's life. Man doesn't live for more than 80, 90 years. Then he pass some good. Well, everybody likes to take it easy. See, let my party decide.
You to contact the party
No,
leader.
they didn't ask.
They did not ask you.
Nobody asked.
Okay. So what about the retirement, or you will still think of contesting?
Retirement is for people in service. I am in nobody's service.
So,
I am self-employed.
so if the party tells you, then would you contest?
We'll see.
प्रताप सिंग राणेची गजाल हो अंतर्गत मामलो। ताका पक्षाची तिकेट जाहीर जाल्या। प्रताप सिंग राणे बऱ्याच काँग्रेसीच्या वायट काळात पक्षाबरोबर रावलो। गिरीश चोडणकराचो आत्मविश्वास।
These are all internal matters of the our party. We have felicitated him because he's a staunch congressman, loyal congressman, who remained with the Congress in all thick and thins, during hard time and good time, and he has almost completed more than 45 years with the Congress. So we felicitated him on the Congress Foundation Day, recognizing his services to the Congress party, because we have seen a lot of leaders who have taken all benefits from the party, and when the party needed them, they left. But he stood by the party and he said whatever party will request him, he will obey.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स।